Hey, let's make 3 types of Zefir roses today. For this, we're using one piping tip, number 127 or 128, manually thinned. Let's start with a tea rose. This is a classic rose style that works for any arrangement. We normally pipe one 360 degrees petal and 3 petals to form the center, then freestyle from there. It's a real-time video, so you can follow every move, curve, and little decision as we pipe our roses. Always take your time and look at your flower from a top angle. Voila! Meet our Zefir rose. Delicate, beautiful, and absolutely delicious. The second rose is the garden rose. We're using the same petal count to create the center. By squeezing harder, we get fluffier petals, and by playing with the angle, we can make them more triangular in shape. Here it is, nice and fluffy garden rose. And finally, the French rose for you. You may notice that we give the foundation a technical first wrap for stability, and only then start building volume. The center is formed using 2 to 3 longer petals. Then we start adding more open petals. Here we go. A true beauty. French rose is now ready. All of these roses are piped from raspberry Zefir and contain no artificial colors. They're versatile and mix beautifully together in a variety of arrangements. Please comment, like, and subscribe if this video is helpful. For recipes and video courses, please visit our link in bio.